Original Custom Components Mistral comes pre-assembled. After completely unloading the firearm and ensuring it is safe, you can proceed with mounting the Mistral onto your barrel. The Mistral consists of 3 different parts: the tuner, the PRS muzzle brake, and an adapter ring. Insert and screw the Mistral onto the barrel. Tighten it fully by screwing it via the muzzle brake. Simply bring it into contact. No torque is required. Now, align the muzzle brake horizontally. Once properly aligned, lightly tighten the 2 tuner screws to secure it onto its mount. Once the 2 screws are tightened, you can lock the muzzle brake by unscrewing the entire tuner mount assembly until the mount is firmly pressed against the barrel. Hand tighten securely. You can now proceed with adjusting the tuner to synchronize the barrel vibrations with your ammunition. Refer to the specific tuner adjustment manual for details. This often involves performing several test shots to fine-tune the settings by observing shot group dispersion. You are now equipped with one of the most efficient muzzle brakes and tuners on the market. Happy shooting!